So I have a pretty cool opportunity right now. So my buddy Matt, they gave me this scrap coyote block and heads. He lives up in Waycross. We are in Jacksonville. And he's got a scrap crankshaft for me, so I have something to mount a flywheel and a clutch to get the spacing and everything. So I got to get back up to Waycross. And instead of driving, we're about to go fly in my buddy's Gazelle helicopter. It's a retired French military helicopter, and he's gonna take us up there and we're gonna scoop up the crankshaft.
Whatever they tell me to do.
Yeah.
We're running some stuff for the, basically little pedestals for some fire main.
waiting forever. We made it, Don.
We made it.
That was one of the coolest things ever.
Well, we made it. Landed in Waycross. All that just to pick up a crankshaft. What an experience. This thing is so cool. Getting some fuel. Go pick it up and then head back. Well, we're back home. Got the crankshaft, got the mock-up engine, got the tractor. I didn't film the process of picking up the crankshaft. It was just too much excitement all at once. But we got it home, got home safe and sound, thank God. And now I'll get it put together and start getting some measurements and start making this happen.